Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, and we're still working on the enharmonics, and this is page 35 of Habits of a Successful Beginning Band Musician. And here is part A. A flats, G flats to the E natural. Here's part B, which is G sharp to F sharp to E. It's going to have the same sound, but it's written in a different way to get you used to those enharmonics. All right, and we're on to 150 finger twisters number 1. Watch your articulation in this one, and here we go. Finger twister number 2. So we're going from eighth notes to quarters. And 1, 2, 3. Would have liked to have had an E in there since we're in the key of F and the E's are natural, just as a reminder. But it's definitely tonally key of F. And here's finger twister number 3, 152. And last song on page 35, A Young Girl's Heart. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.